how to resell tickets on SeatGeek. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of your web browser and then move into the site SeatGeek.com. Enter your login credential and then log into your specific account. You will land on this homepage of SeatGeek. Once you are in here, click on your profile at the top right. Different options will be visible to you, but all you want to do is click on Sell. If not, you can simply click on Sell right over here. It will redirect you to this page. Different tickets that are eligible to sell will be visible to you. Let's say you want to upload NFL tickets. Click on Add NFL tickets. You need to search for the team. Select the team that you want, and then click on Add Game at the bottom right. This interface will pop up. You simply have to enter section, row, and the quantity. Once you have entered, click on Next, and then your tickets will be uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, your tickets will appear right here. Right beside the tickets, the option of Sell and Send will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on Sell. Then you have to select the payment method on how you want to receive the amount. Once you have added the payment method, you will be eligible to resell or sell your tickets, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can resell tickets on SeatGeek. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.